Now, what exactly is the LEADPULSER rotator? Well, have you ever bought into a product where they told you, just send out this link and you'll make a couple of cents per click? If so, buckle up, because what I'm about to share with you flips that entire idea on its head. Let's take a moment to look at what happens without LEADPULSER. Right now, you're being told to send all your traffic to a single link, one that comes from a program hosted on a page you're actually paying for every month. Here's the problem. When your leads click that link, you might earn about 30 cents. But then what happens? They get redirected straight to the system owner's affiliate offers. Now, sure, the owner claims those offers are being tested. But let's be real, nobody is actually earning commissions from those offers except the system owner. And here's the worst part. While you keep sending emails and driving traffic, you're not building your list, you're building their list. But here's the deal. Once you start building your pages inside your own automation and you plug in LEADPULSER instead of relying on that system's platform and links, everything changes. With LEADPULSER, you're in control. You're sending those leads to the offers you choose, whether it's Warrior Plus, another platform, or even your own products. Every lead stays yours. Every email is yours, and every single click brings value back to you. Because when you're using LEADPULSER with your automation, you're no longer building someone else's business, you're building your own. All it takes are just 2 simple pages, a code, and your affiliate links. Are you ready for this one and only opportunity to flip this completely around? Then get your LEADPULSER and start sending traffic to your links today.